ChatGPT and other AI tools could be putting users at risk by getting company web addresses wrong. Yes, we now have URL squatting. We used to have typo squatting or slop squatting, where AI would it would hallucinate packages like NPM packages or Composer packages or Python packages that don't actually exist. So when you would go and ask these AI systems to create an application for you, they would include packages and repositories that don't exist. And so then people who have nefarious ideas would determine how to get the AI system to hallucinate these things for them. And then they would go and create the packages. You, as a Joe Blow user who doesn't know any better, are just going to copy paste. You're not going to check the code. And then those hallucinated packages, lo and behold, they exist and they contain all kinds of spyware. But now we have URLs that are doing the exact same thing. I am genuinely curious how many instances of slop squatting or typo squatting we're going to see where these AI systems will generate stuff that doesn't exist and nefarious actors will use it to create the things that don't exist so that they can do nefarious things. So new research has revealed AI often gives incorrect URLs, which could be putting users at risk, including phishing attempts and malware. A report from Netcraft claims 1 in 3, 34% of login links provided by LLMs, including Geppetto 4.1, were not owned by the brands they were asked about, with 29% pointing to unregistered, inactive, or parked domains, and 5% pointing to unrelated but legitimate domains, leaving just 66% linking to the correct brand-associated domain. That's it. Need I say more? Need I say more about this? I don't think I do. So again, unfortunately, what I have to do is warn people that if you're going to use these LLMs, these AI systems, you have to do so with an immediate thought in your head. The first thought in your head is, this thing is going to make stuff up and it's going to lie to me every chance it gets. You have to assume that when you're using these systems, which unfortunately puts a heavier responsibility than before these systems existed. When you did a Google search, at the very least, you could go to a legitimate website. It was a lot harder to go to a bad website, for example. But now you have to go and fact check literally everything that these things tell you, by yourself, and just assume that it's all wrong. That's the world we live in.